My name's Carl. I am a plumbing technician with the plumbing division at Ryan Services. I started off about a year ago. I was a technician's assistant helping out the rest of our team, and about 6 months to 8 months later, I graduated into my own van and became a full-fledged technician. We usually get dispatched early in the morning around 7 and go on our first job. From there, when we finish it, we do our paperwork and head on to the next one. 3 to 5 calls each day, and do what's necessary to take care of them. You never know everything. You learn something new each day. That's pretty cool. Everyone knows everyone. It's not a huge, massive company, and we all know our customers really well. It's like a little community. Seriously, the trades are so undermanned, and it's an awesome career path. Whether it's heating, fire protection, plumbing, whatever you decide to do, they're all great opportunities.